Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You already have a Py file and Python 3 available. Start by reading the first function. Once you see a purpose, insert a single-line comment with hash right above or at end of the statement. Explain why the code exists, not what it does. You must favor intent over restatement. Make short phrases, use present tense verbs. Save and run the file to confirm no syntax errors, because comments must not interrupt string literals or indentation. Once you need more context, use consecutive hash lines for multi-line explanations. Break at about 72 to 80 characters for readability. For functions and classes, place a triple-quoted docstring immediately after the def or class line to describe parameters, return values, and side effects. Make sure to use imperative verbs like return or validate for consistency. When done, run linters to catch style issues and ensure docstrings are discoverable via help. To finish, review each comment and make sure it matches current behavior. You must update comments when logic changes. Once complete, remove commented out code blocks and rely on version control for history. If something breaks, first check for stray triple quotes or a hash placed inside a string literal that changed semantics. Make sure indentation isn't broken by comments in critical positions. Finally, run tests and use a linter to catch style drift and accidental syntax issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.